welcome to another video. As you can see, we're at Hockenheim. We're just waiting to get in. It should be any minute now, maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and then we should get in. So we're ready so far, and hopefully everything has arrived. I really love this track. Very technical, the infield at least, and the rest is very, very high speed, which is also quite fun. Not if you don't have that much power like I have, but it is what it is. So I'd say let's go with the video and hope for the best. We're done with the first session. Actually, that's a guy I'm gonna invite you later. First session is done. Everything went well so far. Session was cut short because somebody had a technical issue. Unfortunately, that's some stuff that's gonna happen always at the first outing. We had the same at Anadura. Yeah. Unfortunately, when it's during a race, it's gonna get suspended until the car's back, and so our session's ended. But we have a very busy day today. We're gonna get out in 10 minutes again, so I can do some taxi laps with a few friends, mechanics that are here. My parents are here, so yeah, gonna enjoy the day and not gonna push too hard, just to make sure everything is gonna go well. And there you can see him push back in the pits. That's always not nice. Yeah, you never like that. So hopefully for him it's just a small issue. They can fix it quite well, quite fast. They have a great team here and they do a great job. So, yeah, let's head back up. My influence, I told the devil that I got his 40 on my wrist, onto my skull, but still we count. Nothing else inside my eyes to reassure I feel pain. I look inside the devil's eyes and I can't see a damn thing. right now, before the qualifying, all the sessions went very well. It was a lot of fun. The last session is the first time I really pushed, because before that I always had passengers with me, which I always play safe. Now I'm down to 156-ish something, and yeah, I'm not happy with the time. I'm happy with the car. Car works absolutely perfect, but I'm not happy with my driving. There's heaps of places where I can improve and have to improve. Now we changed tires. We had AD09 before. I really like this tire. As you can see, we wrapped 2 bolts. And yeah, but AD09 is what we're using for training. And after that, now we're switched to A052. Yeah, they should be much faster. They should be roughly 2 seconds-ish. If I can extract that, which is the goal, obviously. Yeah, we'll see. Hopefully it works. And yeah, everything well so far. Let's go into the qualies. I have no idea which place I am actually. The first 5 get into finals. I'm not sure, because we have a lot of very, very fast cars in our class. So, but we'll see. Everything goes well, and I can extract what I need from the tires. Then might be top 5. Could be possible. We'll see. Hockenheim is a very, very power, or you need a lot of power at Hockenheim to be fast, because there's so long straights to the Spitzkehre, the hairpin, and then back all the way. It's always. She's a time attack Mutti. She's basically the mom of everyone here in the paddock. Yeah, she's an organization, and she organizes everything. So yeah, it's a very powerful, or you need a very powerful car, or if you have a very powerful car, it's basically or mostly very fast, because you have a long straight and then the hairpin and then back again, which the fastest cars, they get mostly 270 around, maybe even faster. I get 230. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, and off we go into the quality. which is quite okay. Hoped for a little bit better result, but it is what it is. So, oh, I'm filming in the wrong dimension. It all went well. I got also faster in the finals, which is good. But I still left a lot out on track. I could be like second or two faster at least. And if somebody could drive with this car, I think low 150 is easily possible, but not with me. So it is what it is. But it was a lot of fun. Everything worked well. I got third, which I didn't expect at all. But there were a few cars which had some issues, so that's why I got third. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a good week. Goodbye.